Hey there, food lovers! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of mangoes. These golden fruits have a rich history, dating back thousands of years. Originating in South Asia, mangoes have been cultivated for over 4,000 years. Can you believe it? That's older than sliced bread. From their homeland in India, mangoes embarked on an incredible journey across the globe. Traders and explorers brought this king of fruits to Southeast Asia, East Africa, and the Middle East. By the 15th century, Portuguese explorers had carried mangoes to the Americas. Today, mangoes are enjoyed in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. This beloved fruit has truly made its mark on the world. Mangoes are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 1 cup of sliced mango provides a whopping dose of vitamin C. That's more than enough to boost your immune system. Mangoes are also a good source of vitamin A, important for healthy vision and skin. Don't forget about the fiber. Mangoes are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. Plus, they contain various antioxidants like mangiferin. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Did you know that there are hundreds of mango varieties worldwide? Each type has its own unique flavor, aroma, color, and texture. Let's travel the world, discovering some popular mango varieties. From India, we have the Alfonso, known for its creamy texture and delicate sweetness. In Pakistan, there's the Chaunsar, prized for its rich flavor and juicy flesh. Moving to the Americas, Mexico boasts the Ataulfo, a small but mighty mango with a sweet, tangy taste. And in the Caribbean, you'll find the Julie mango, known for its floral aroma and fiberless flesh. With so many different mangoes to try, every bite is a new adventure. Scientists and horticulturists are always working to develop new and improved mango varieties. Through careful crossbreeding, they aim to create mangoes with enhanced flavor, disease resistance, and longer shelf life. One exciting example is the Mahachanok, a hybrid mango developed in Thailand. It boasts a beautiful red blush, a sweet aromatic flavor, and resistance to anthracnose disease. These advancements in mango breeding ensure we can continue to enjoy this delicious fruit for generations to come. So keep an eye out for these new and exciting varieties in your local markets. Let's talk about everyone's favorite part, eating mangoes. The culinary uses of mangoes are as diverse as the varieties themselves. Enjoy them fresh, sliced, diced, or simply scoop the flesh with a spoon. Mangoes add a burst of tropical flavor to smoothies, juices, and cocktails. In desserts, they shine in cheesecakes, ice creams, pies, and puddings, but don't limit yourself to sweet treats. Mangoes bring a tangy twist to savory dishes like salsas, chutneys, and curries. Get creative and explore the endless possibilities of this versatile fruit. Mangoes hold a special place in many cultures around the world. In India, the mango tree is considered sacred, symbolizing love, prosperity, and good luck. During festivals like Diwali and Holi, mangoes are exchanged as gifts and used in traditional sweets. In the Philippines, mangoes are celebrated with colorful festivals and parades. The Dinagyang Festival features vibrant costumes and street dancing, all in honor of the beloved mango. These celebrations highlight the cultural significance of mangoes and their importance in bringing people together. Want to grow your own mangoes at home? With a little patience and care, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown mangoes right from your backyard. Mango trees thrive in warm, tropical climates with plenty of sunshine. Choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Water your mango tree regularly, especially during dry periods. Fertilize a few times a year to provide essential nutrients. With proper care, your mango tree will reward you with an abundance of delicious fruit for years to come. From its ancient origins to its modern-day culinary uses, the mango continues to captivate taste buds worldwide. This nutritional powerhouse offers a wealth of health benefits with its abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in desserts, or savory dishes, mangoes bring a burst of flavor and a touch of sunshine to every bite. So next time you see a mango, grab one, slice it open, and savor the sweet, juicy goodness of this tropical treasure.